Yes, please start.
First of all, good morning to our honorable jury. I, Cadet Vicky Patel, present before you to have my presentations on the caption NCC as an elective subject. NCC came to be known as National Cadet Corps, firstly established by the Indian Independence Act 1917, and in that, by 1920, it has been came to be known as University Officers Training Corps. After that, it has been established by the objective of aiding our Indian Army who has participated in World War I. And after in 2016, it got the recommendations by Lieutenant General D.B. Shekhawat to have a organization to restructure and constitute the National Cadet Corps on the coastal security. We have seen that in 2020, the NCC is now being inducted with the education policy with the implementation of choice-based credit system in our semester. And now the NCC has so much curricular activities to implement it. Earlier, the cadets who have been involved in the social awareness as well as for the duty purposes, they haven't got the credit systems in their marks. And with that very systems, the NCC is now implementing it on their academics as well. We can say that nation is like a wool which is to be woven, not a mineral which is to be mined only. So in that very purposes, NCC is having such association with the youth to build their effectivity with their intelligence as well. Now coming to the challenges factor that NCC is facing. NCC is having such a criteria that some members are being involved in the procession of the political system also. So in that system, I want to have a structuralization that certain framework would be made that students should be involved in the effectivity of their upliftment, not for the aid to have a political awareness and to have the political involvement and indulgence in the inclinations. So at last, I want to have a conclusions with a single point that youth. We can build our future, or we can not build our future always. We can build our youth to have a futures, better futures. So NCC is the associations to have a association with the betterment of our faculty. Thank you.